Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again at the cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular. So just in the beginning of the video, I would like to announce and present our new monthly fundamental report on the Bitcoin that we have prepared a few days ago. Actually, you could already read it in the blog part of our forum on Sive Morten blog. So just in a few words, we're taking a look at the market sentiment, what investors expect to see, what the current consensus about the price level for the 2023. And I would just say that our analysis for the previous months was on spot when everybody started talking about the bottom. That's probably it's lots of analysis. Charts was about that sentiment is shifting, that everybody is preparing to buying the Bitcoin. We said that it's not really so, just because in the center of the analysis, the core of an analysis has to be currently the Fed rate policy. And overall fundamental environment absolutely haven't suggested the reversal. And that just has been confirmed in the performance of the December. And currently investors while just were hurt with this early expectation of the reversal, currently is more careful with their judgment on the performance. I would say that overall sentiment on the Bitcoin market currently is moderately bearish, but we actually agree with it. So you could read just more details about this in a report. This opinion of many well-known analysis on big banks as well. So in the short term, on the daily chart on the Bitcoin, we see the major thing that has happened actually is the appearing of the grabber. And in general, I would say that the Bitcoin performs among the most bearish assets currently. So if on the Forex market, on some currencies, we see some pullbacks, such as on the euro currency, some other performance, but not on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not able to show any meaningful pullback by far. It looks most bearish in general. And since in the recent few sessions we start getting more bearish signs across the board, so for instance, today we've got, as we discussed in today's Forex video, a bearish reversal session on euro currency, bullish reversal session on the dollar index, different grabbers on Australian dollar, and general performance on Australian dollar suggests downward direction. That stands common to the Bitcoin, and the appearing of the grabber seems absolutely logical. So this pattern suggests drop below these lows. That's why currently we definitely not recommend to take any long position and wait for a downward continuation on the Bitcoin market here. So maybe it will be in the same minor ABCD pattern way to the downside, but in general, whatever it will be, we're watching for our major target here, completion of the butterfly pattern around 13 even. So that's our destination points. The same we're waiting for on the weekly chart. As you know, there we have the big ABCD pattern around the same area, 1240 approximately. So 1250, 13 level is the major long-term, I would say even all-time destination currently. And then we will see what will happen. So before thinking about anything else, we should need to get the completion of this major target. That probably will happen within the, I suppose, 2-3 months. It's probably we should be there. But in the short term, as I said, now we're watching for a grabber taking out of these lows. That's what's nearest performance that could follow. Other signs of the weakness, actually we have on all intraday charts. So on the 4 time frame chart, take a look. Market wasn't able to form the right arm of these patterns. We said this might be the hand shoulders, but this hasn't happened. This market is so heavy that it can't even show the bounce up from this area. And take a look, it's dropping back again below the middle of the range. So you can see this is natural support resistance line, perfectly separates two different trading zones right there and here, and the market right now is dropping back inside of this lower bottom zone, trading zone. So it means that currently it have ability to keep going lower right to the bottom, because here is no visible barriers exist for that. Another confirmation is it's on the hourly chart. Recall what we talked about last time. If you remember, we talked about these possible head and shoulders, and maybe if market somehow will show the bounce up at least to 17, even 1710 area, that will be good opportunity to go short. It's completion the COP. But with this performance, market wasn't able even to complete minor extension. So even 618 extension has not been completed with this ABCD pattern. Market collapsed. And now take a look. The C points of the previous ABCD pattern now is cancelled. It's been erased by this downward action. And we have the bearish downside swing. Yes, we have got this triple to buy here with this ABCD pattern. Maybe we could get some minor bounce based on this pattern, but we do not recommend to take long position of this pattern just because it goes against the daily grabber. And the daily pattern, as you understand, is more important and stronger than the intraday pattern. Besides, as I already show you, that this performance relatively definitely stands weak, and currently I would search more chances to go short instead of considering taking long position based on this pattern.